Hi ladies, it's Fresh again, and I'm here to do a super easy 5-minute get ready with me holiday look that you're going to love. So Nutrimatics has just released a new holiday collection, and I'm so excited because it is top of the range, brand new, and so different to what they currently have in stock. It's part of their beauty range, and this is their new blush and highlighter palette, as well as a gorgeous eye play palette full of beautiful, beautiful holiday ready eyeshadows. They've created this beauty blender duo, which is incredible because not only will it allow you to apply your foundation and blend out your concealer seamlessly using their gorgeous beauty blender, but you also have a mini little Kabuki duo fiber brush that is incredible to blend out concealers if you're contouring your face and powders. And they've also added 2 lipsticks, part of their beauty range for the holiday collection, that are so creamy, you're gonna love it. So if you watch my previous 5-minute tutorial on prepping and concealing your face, you're gonna go and do that first. And I'm ready for foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and use the oil-free foundation in the shade Almond, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face using their beautiful Burgundy Beauty Blender. So there's several ways to apply your foundation. You can apply it on the back of your hand or on a palette. Grab your beauty blender and dip it in here. And just apply your foundation. How gorgeous is this foundation? It is literally my color. The colors are stunning, and the oil-free foundation lasts so much longer on your face, and a little does go a long way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all over my face and just bring it a little bit down. The other way to apply your foundation using your beauty blender, grab some of the foundation, blot it all over, and then grab your beauty blender and just buff and blend it out. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp. Just squeeze out the extra fluid in there, and then you just press it all over your face. I love the little tapered tip. It allows you to get into little corner with precision and accuracy. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. This is the blush and highlighter palette, an all-inclusive palette with blush, contour, and highlight. Pick up the Kabuki brush and start contouring and highlighting. We are done with contour. Go ahead and grab a little bit of the blush and apply it gently on the apples of my cheek, but I'm gonna go ahead and focus a little bit higher up, lifts my face versus kind of bringing everything forward. Apply just a little bit on the bridge of my nose. It just warms and brightens up your face. Blush is a must. So pick up your favorite highlighter shade. There is a more pearlier champagne-y color and a little bit deeper and bronzier up at the top. Apply that on the outer areas of your face. I'm gonna use the same buffered Kabuki brush, and I'm gonna pick up pearly color and just apply it on the outer cheekbone to brighten and lift. And then I'll go ahead and apply it on the other side. Be sure to blend it out. How beautiful is that? You can apply a little bit on tip of your nose and the upper bridge to give a bit more dimension. Pop a little bit of that on the inner corner. My last step is to seal it all in using the makeup setting mist. God, it smells so good. See how radiant and glowy my skin looks after applying the highlighter? Honestly, this is the perfect holiday Christmas gift set to give your loved ones. Okay, now onto the eyes. I'm gonna use their new eye play palette and create a gorgeous cranberry eyeshadow look. I'm picking up the color Sherry, and I'll apply that in my eyeshadow crease, pulling it back towards my bronzer. This creates dimension and elongates the eye. Using a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna pick up the color in Honey, apply that underneath my eye, and pop it in the outer corner of the crease and just blend it gently in halfway. Larger blending brush, pick up the color in Lovely. It is a gorgeous cranberry color. Apply that all over my eyelid. Grab a fluffier tapered blending brush and go ahead and blend the 2 eyeshadow regions together. This is how we kind of create a more smokier eye, and it's ideal for literally any and every eye shape. I'm gonna take this eye look 1 notch higher and apply a little bit of pigment on there. Pick up the color Sweet, and using the back of my finger, gently apply the pigment in the center of my eyelid. I'm gonna bring it a little bit higher to open up my eyes. Using your blending brush, blend that out. Be sure to localize the pigment in the center of your eye and really open and widen your eyelid. This is a really neat little hack if you've got hooded eyelids and you're scared to wear pigment. Focus in the center of the eyelid and bring it a little bit higher up past the crease and just blend it out. Just quickly popped on some eyeliner and my favorite 4-in-1 Ultimate Mascara to bring this look up a notch. Now for lipstick, there are two gorgeous new shades that Nutromedics has introduced. One is in the color Pearl and the other one is in the color Peach. One has a pinker undertone and one has a peachier undertone. I think since I've done a bit of cranberry on the eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and use the color Pearl Rosé. Blot it on. Very moisturizing, extremely rich in color. And that is the final look. Holiday ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and you pick up your new holiday collection.